Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AWS S3 for static website hosting, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your AWS Management Console and sign into your account. Navigate to the S3 service from the AWS Services menu. Click on the Create Bucket button to start a new bucket. Enter a unique name for your bucket, keeping in mind the DNS requirements. Select the desired AWS region for optimal performance and compliance. Uncheck the option for Block All Public Access to enable public access to your static site. Acknowledge the warning regarding public access and click on the checkbox. Click on the Create Bucket button to finalize the bucket creation. Once your bucket is created, click on the bucket name to open its settings. Go to the Properties tab in the Bucket Settings. Scroll down to find that Static Website Hosting option and click on it. Select the Use this bucket to host a website radio button. Enter the name of your index document, typically index.html. Optionally, enter a custom error document name, such as error.html. Click on the Save Changes button to apply the static website settings. Navigate to the Permissions tab of your bucket. Click on Bucket Policy to set up a policy for public access. Insert the following bucket policy to allow public read access. Replace your bucket name with the actual name of your bucket. Make sure to adjust the policy to fit your specific requirements as needed. Click on the Save button to apply your bucket policy. Upload your static website files by clicking on the Upload button. Drag and drop your files or browse for them using the file selector. Ensure all files are uploaded successfully by checking their status. Once uploaded, return to the Properties tab and find the static website endpoint. Copy the endpoint URL for future use. You can now navigate to that URL to view your static website. Check for any necessary updates or troubleshooting as needed. Your static website hosted on AWS S3 is now fully configured and ready to go live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.